Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Cleveland, where we talk all things outdoor living. Today we are digging into one of the biggest decisions homeowners make when planning a new deck, choosing between wood and composite decking. If you are replacing an old structure or starting fresh in your backyard, this choice affects how your deck looks, feels, and holds up for years. Here in Cleveland, our decks see everything: spring rain, hot sun, and icy winters. Traditional wood decking like pressure-treated lumber or cedar can look warm and classic. With the right construction and a good sealant, wood can perform well, especially in the first several years. But it does ask something from you in return: regular cleaning, checking for loose fasteners, and restaining or sealing on a steady schedule. If that maintenance slips, wood starts to show it. Boards can cup, twist, or develop surface cracks. You may notice splinters, especially around high-traffic areas like stairs and railings, and color fading where the sun hits hardest. None of this means wood is a bad option, but it does mean you need to be ready for the upkeep or budget to have a professional handle it. Composite decking takes a different approach. These boards are engineered to resist rot, insects, and splintering, and they do not require staining or sealing the way natural wood does. Brands like Trex offer boards with protective caps that help resist fading and staining from everyday use. For many homeowners, that lower maintenance is the main reason they choose composite, especially when kids, pets, and frequent guests are part of the picture. Now let's talk about how both materials actually feel underfoot and how they tie into the rest of your outdoor living space. A wood deck can blend nicely with a traditional home, a covered porch, or a wood-framed pergola. Composite decking often pairs well with modern railings, clean lines, and nearby features like patios or outdoor kitchens because of the color and style options available. Either way, the framing underneath matters just as much as the surface. Solid posts, beams, and joists sized for our local codes are what make your deck feel steady and safe. Budget is always part of the conversation. Wood usually costs less at the beginning, but you should factor in the cost of stain, sealer, and periodic repairs over time. Composite decking typically has a higher upfront price, but the ongoing maintenance costs can be much lower. When you spread that out over the life of the deck, many homeowners find the numbers are closer than they expected. Think about how you plan to use the space. If you love projects and do not mind a weekend each year maintaining your deck, wood might suit you just fine. If you would rather spend that time relaxing, cooking, or watching the game outdoors, composite may be the better fit. Also consider how your deck connects to other elements like patios, pergolas, or even future plans for a sunroom or outdoor kitchen. Choosing the right material now can make future additions easier and more consistent in style. At Tough Deck Builders Cleveland, we help homeowners compare these options using real numbers and real site conditions like sun exposure, shade patterns, and drainage in your yard. You can reach our team at 216-600-1264 or visit toughdeckbuilderscleveland.com to learn more about our deck construction services and talk through which material makes the most sense for your home. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders Cleveland. Whether you end up choosing wood or composite, the goal is the same: a safe, solid deck that works for your family and lasts through many Cleveland seasons.